Haya na nitwacokereria ngatho cia mwanya ni guthie na mbere na guikarania na ithuĩ guku ariko Muthingi TV aria twagithie na mbere gukorwo tugikurehera ngatha ciitu aria turagikorwo tukiaririria uhoro wigie mbeu njithi na maria maikoretwo makihanika thiini yao thie na mbere na kwaraniria na ithuĩ kuria nenda-ini ciitu ciothe amwena wa Facebook ario Muthingi TV na kwa mwena wa Twitter ario X ni Muthingi TV YouTube na korwo ningi ugikorwo gitutigira ndumiriri yaku ario Muthingi TV na tukiherera kana tugicokereria tuko tukiaririria uhoro wigie kana wendo wira-ini kana hihi ari maikoragwo magituma ndogo cia kiwendo makiri wira-ini na ndikiwe hihi ni mekana ni ukiri wapi kana kuria ikoragwo kiruta wira ni wakora andu ni makorirwo makienda na hihi ni mariko makoragwo makimahutia ni mariko makoragwo makirugama andu mambia kuga ni mambia kwendanira wira-ini bigathie kana hihi guku ni rwaikora mundu kana hiyo wakora andu ti mundu andu na ngania ena ngania teki yaku ya andu aria moka kuka ku eventually kudetira wira-ini ikogwo iriku.
First of all juge ucio ni undu tangiaga tondu tuli andu we are human, we are people, so definitely ni ukoraga you are attracted to someone no ukegekora you are in a relationship ni mwambirie kudate na mundu ucio. Although it's recommendable, but it's not a bad thing to date someone you are working with. Although it comes with a lot of challenges, na backlash, but it's not a bad thing. In my opinion, tioru kudate mundu muraruta nake wira.
But how do you take it, especially wira-ini, especially the moment you're working with young people? Ni ukoraga atari mundu aigira wira ni okire angani ahagirio yo ni okire ni munyitire moko. You putting in mind that mundu mulai nake, so you like, wow, moyo unashika mtu yangu aje. How do you feel like ikoragwo igikati igikorwo ki affect urumurutire wa wira wa mundu?
You know, as long as you have self-control within you.
How do you have self-control wendo-ini?
Definitely. Love is not, love is jealous, yes. But how do you control that jealousy? No ginya ukorwo na self-control within you. So definitely, ni ugukorwo umastate uyu mtu tuko kazi.
But uri wakorwo umastate ati tuko kazi ri mundu uyu ri maybe the other party ni koragwo crash ire mundu waku and you know that yakoragwo mu crash ire kana ni uyu mundu uyu ri ni endaga kindu kina kuma kuri mundu wakwa. How do you tell me that ni uko na self control ikaraga kaga kwa tu crash?
Ni mwaragia na mukaiguana. Yes.
Why are you talking little tale wakorwo wendo-ini? Why are you talking like that?
Okay, ni ngoretwo wendo-ini onoko ti wa ndugu cia wabici. But when you are in love with someone, of course there's communication na ni muiguanagiraga. So in my case igikondira date mundu turaruta nake wira ri tukwaria na tuiguithanie. Definitely na demwire I expect wako muri aragia na ngania ri gukona limits.
But you know it affects you psychologically because every time uremuonaga wona mundu ucio or especially wona makiaria you think that maybe they are talking about them. So in as much as that you will have communication, as much as nimo kona talk cia tirire aga dugashoke kwaria dugashoke kwika na ngania, putting in mind maybe my department where they'll have to meet, they'll have to see each other. How do you control their communication?
As long as you trust someone, whoever you are dating, I don't see any problem.
But do you feel like trust is enough?
Yeah, definitely. As long as I not all your hiketio ni muthuri etiguo muthuri wa kwenda thia wira
no na kiruta nake
na ndirege no ukoragwo muhete trust ya riri athi na kuwira-ini ndona mundu ngiari inoka kuri o.
And you know what makes peace with kire gituma make peace na mundu mutararuta wira nake ri ni ati mtu anathia huto ndukumenya o mundu anathia maybe akishikwa ndukumenya but now mtu mwikaete nake mwe wabici emwe you working in the same environment mundu angane okire ngani yale ni amureheire irio out of the blues maybe hajui maybe ni mugeni nioka ni amureheire irio ni mwe na kujanga ni amureheire mahua so you of course we mundu kiumbe of course you'll feel
at the end of the day it all goes back to communication. Mundu shagiririo kia kwire atiriri akwa approach akwire by the way Karore ni andeheire ke irio
no ule moiretu, you know, especially for us when we are dramatic, let me call it, we are dramatic.
Definitely.
But do you tell me that in as much as that thing, and then ukajira, hey, kinothia wako poko kajira, okay, kajira, hey, na by the way, kehuvira tael, hey, na by the way, hey, tael ni adeheire irio, no kodina kena, hende ojitha ni areire. And then you see the moment, especially I feel like for men, their attention gets diverted haraka sana, because attention yaku ni ukuhera we mucie. No wakinya wira-ini ri ndenda kinya muona ni muono hamwe, no athie na kou okara ugoka muciiri ni guru uratuika wake. You see, the moment modo waku agagukuonia that now I can put boundaries on this, but again it becomes difficult kuruta wira because ruri karaga ukayuria riu mangania riu ni kiru aranyonia. You see, murituraga haro. You see,
I think as long as there is proper communication, nimu igete mitaratara yanyu na mukerana, iwako twoka wira ni wira gutire wendo, I think it's okay. Ni ndigiona hari na thina guko ukidate mundu muraruta nake wira, as long as ni mwaritie wega na mukaiguana na mukerana, ni wambo itwoka wira turirutaga wira. Tuino kamuciru ni kuo tuguthi kwendanira na kou, kana wako murakienda kwendanira nginya wira mugakiendanira wira, as long as you've laid out what you expect from the other person. I don't see any problem with dating a co-worker.
Do you feel like the moment you date a co-worker, the other workers, the other colleagues of yours, they tend to like to separate, to nita maraga kwegayukania nawe. Do you feel like maikara makaga we sio ni mtu wa fulani tatigana nake? Do you feel like ni ukoragwo ukihana ta marada kurehera out of separation?
Actually, okay, maybe a good thing about dating a co-worker, limited to a good thing, ni ati ni gukoragwo na limit. The other co-workers ni makoragwo makimenya huyu ni mtu wa fulani, kwa hivyo that is a no-go zone. Ruogwo matige gukatira, matige kuonia interest, ni maramenya ati riri Karole ni wakinuthia. So there's a line drawn.
What attracts you to adore murutithanagia nao wira, like oyo mundu no kinye handu fulani nake, o no kinye na manake, o nake no tigane nake, niki goko ku attract, especially gwoka ni horo wigi aria murarutithania nao wira?
Wa mbere uria mundu ciararia, the way that person is speaking to you, ama talking to you, ama the way venyana ku approach, how they put their words across, that's one thing. Na kana mundu cio ni mu kind enough, is that person kind enough? Yeah, so I think like no hare mundu muraruta nake wira no agikwirania maundu arakwirania like ni tawe wao, ni urona. Yes, tuko kazi, no, as long as ona tukiruta wira ri ndagiro gukorwo kirania mundu maundu. Tondu arire we umete kwanyu niguo kinangofu kana kuria umete ni nyumete gwitonyere ugwo goka kunjirania ri what for? You're supposed to talk to me like ogwo turaruta wira ogwo unjoe data colleague, approach me with some respect, you talk to me onjire uria kwagireire na mutaratara, not goka kunjirania tadi mwana ka tadi wanyu.
Are you a victim?
No, I'm not really a victim. I'm putting it across because these things happen.
Guria by the way, turahuti horo wigi kiria turahuti horo wigi andu anini no turio sako-ini ya kurutithania wira. What is the biggest challenge wana corona nayo kurutana andu, let me call them young, andu anini wira, especially mtu au mashukuru okandikitwo wira? What are the challenges ukoragwo ukigerera? Ni mariko ni mauritu mariko gereire na andu aya anini?
There are many, but maybe I can point a few. Jugi atirere andu aya nini ri tondu na ingire o munini rimwe tutienda kwirwo tondu riu ni gukorora wega bio wa boidi gwatiriri riu niki uranjira we
kijitagaka
ruga kana karaumira cukuru juzi ri niki karanjira alafu ni gukoragwo na uirano ucio like sasa Kariukiana niambia nini by the way.
Alafu plus again there's a lot of competition. You see, young people think that tare maybe for example tureka ta show teno. Kuna mtu hapo nje, kama mtu tu hapo nje kalete waka galo niki area guy. You know kuna kama mtu tu hapo nje kanasema yako no jigo haria. And then young people don't come up with yani mati no natari ugo tureka show no yakiria ya nyarari ugo turariri horo wigi ado beojere. People have a lot of ideas, but they no mwariririe giki no mwariririe, but they won't tell you. Marika rao makawa acio nao maugire marĩrĩria. You see, there's a lot of competition plus andũ nĩ maremagwo mũno gũkorwo magĩteithania. Another thing, kũruta wĩra na andũ anini nĩ mahũthanagia. Kwĩna kamũhũthania ũkoragwo ho because wakora mbuya ngareka kĩna ũkauga nĩ kĩrĩ
rĩu aronirio kĩu. And then to go back on ũguo wauga kĩrĩa rĩ matiendaga gũteithania rĩ, like ũrigagwo nginya mũndũ rĩu nĩkĩ kĩũru nake, like rĩu ũyũ rĩ.
And then there's a lot of mission. There's a lot of mission because ukoraga tugere for example Bill Harry okire na kindu fulani na Wambui ndanakena. Wambui ile ena murata fulani
kando
ndemwete Jerry ndemwene Jerry onie Bill hati all auma naguo na ithuĩ, but there's always one thing na ikoragwo a cycle o muthenya. Bill ho muthenya gukira wigwe ndisa na Wambui ni ukwaria na Wambui na ukauhe ciao cia ng'ania. Nake rĩu rĩ rũcio rĩ ũkĩre wĩigue mũthĩ ndigwa kwaria na Wambui, rũcio rĩ ũgathi kwĩ Jerry mwarie cia Wambui. There's a lot of mission na nĩ ũkaga kũhũrithania andũ at the long run tondũ ũkoraga Bill nĩ ugire ũndũ mũru wĩgiĩ Wambui na ndaũkuĩte ta mũrata nĩguo, but rĩu ũgakora atĩrĩrĩ Bill hatone araugire ũru wa Wambui rĩ na nĩ tondũ ndaiguire ũru na ndiratihirio ngoro rĩ ngũka na nĩ njuge maũndũ maku marĩa moru njo. So a lot of cycle ya
backstabbing,
toxicity.
And then a lot of backstabbing. Todo ukoraga rere, like yes, we are best friends. No togwa wauga ni uigite Jerry na hauri. Mugabanga na Jerry ni murathianga ko over the weekend.
Afu ni kugeragia ningi ni
ndeto iria ciothe muguthi kwaria.
Ni cia nyamaigirira. Ni cia guturaigerera iguru. Alafu you find pia ni gukoragwo na a lot of kiria ni gukoragwo na a lot of rere tukundi. Tukundi twa hana haria ugakora ng'ania rĩ ng'ania rĩrĩtwo kina nĩ ng'ania no tondu ndangeni approach rĩ agoka agathia gaform ga squad gake karia gagukorwo against Wambui ni Wambui na gugoka kumageithia ukarigagwo ni kiri wa matarangeithika kumbe there's a lot of kiria there's a lot of
ni wamenereirio tene so ona mundu ngiagiuka rĩ ni ai Wambui timwega.
Atocokere uhoro wigi dating re uhoro wigi dating especially when it comes to work the moment muri in bad terms na mundu waku ri especially your co-worker to get know you are in a relationship, it's official that they Bill na ng'ania ni maradate.
So ni turadate ka the nini is over, the relationship now is over.
You still in a relationship but in bad terms. How do you deal with that? Todo modo ni ari ukanenda gukuonia ati undu uyu we. How do you deal with that?
I think it all goes down to maturity. Todo ni ukoraga ru we are in good wauga ni turadate but
yes,
we are
but
in bad terms. Ru when it comes to immature people ni ukoraga mundu ucio ni agushambirie. Ni erire kila mundu oyo natiga nake ngake nganga ruare tuanike
onarekaga a lot of bad information ukiriganirwo mundu no murishokanwo
defaming someone really.
Now how do you feel like how do you determine a mature partner? Let me start there.
By how you talk.
How I may talk well but I'm not.
I think ginya muge chat na mundu thimu-ini ri Wambui ri if you are clever you can point out ni ukumenya mundu uyu ri mundu uyu anga ni mugima we.
How do you measure IQ ya mundu todo in as much as ni mukwaria na mundu ri depends with the conversation you have because if we are talking a lot about work you may fail to know about someone's maturity. If we are talking about work kesho nitaingia kesho sinisanga yes
how definitely you know? Conversations taishio you have to go deep niguo ukorwo okay understand mundu ucio no korwo kimenya ai mawedo mawera ko ni text ko jira Wambui kesho that can't determine maturity ya mtu. It can't
to get to a point that now you'll know this person ona twahitania na twi wira-ini ri ndaguthi kunyanika kana ndaguthi kwanika njaga yakwa kuri andu.
You have to take time you get to know that person tondu ni tutingicemania nawe muthi na njuge we mugima Wambui takui like I have to get to know you a bit so that ge conclude Wambui ni mugima ri there's something I've seen I've observed niguo nga conclude enyewe Wabwire, she's a very mature person.
The
But
moment-
I can't jump into conclusions Julia today na rita ria mbere Wabwire mugima because I have to see you act. You know?
Yeah.
No nginya ngoro nyonete uri ora act. Wabwire uri ora shokia waririo ni mundu. Niguo conclude today we mundu ke mugima.
The moment Modo suffer heartbreak from a co-worker, putting in mind that
Why are you so into co-working
because I feel like a lot of mawira maige, let me put it, a lot of mawira maige mahokete because of co-workers wanting each other. Yeah? Because you find it a lot of nyokoraga wera ucio ni urare makurutika nyondo wake nyondo wa gafulani marahitani na ngania dano ko muthi. So the moment modo suffer heartbreak from a co-worker, how are they supposed to deal with it?
I think as long as you are both grown-ups, you are mature people, ni mukerana, okay, twakinya hau ni sawa. Karo relationship ito yakinya hau, it's okay. So
But
now
you know,
we go back to being colleagues.
You know, Bill, how you're putting it as if it's so easy. Like you're getting heartbroken today, and tomorrow you'll be jumping like, yeah, me and Bill had died. Yeah, we died.
Of course, you can't jump. Nego take a process. No, we don't want you defaming anyone. Na nigedo kweji put down ati tadulu ni muratiganire na kinudi ati dogo kawira. No, you have to come to work. You have to come and a living. So, be mature. Master self-control.
But you know, love makes you, I don't want to use this word, but it's the right word to use. Love makes you stupid.
And love is stupid.
Yeah.
Na naturally ni gotwira wo.
So tell me how I'll deal with that at nedaigira roshine. For example, nedaigira roshine. Mtu yangu le kejule maybe ni editor. Let me say maybe ni show host gira roshine. Nedaigira ho roshine. Nedamukora goko. Of course, because people heal differently.
Yeah.
Maybe yeye kuheal kwake anajua okay aliena another woman. Maybe kuheal kwake okay ahore show arumane show ine arekie. That's how his healing maybe happened. So me healing yangu najua negire ama nyabegire devikire. But whenever he's poking his fingers on my nose, it will hurt, of course. So telling me that at young as just wake up, whoa, me I'll just take a 1 week leave. I forget because how do I cap
a 1 week leave is not necessary. Wa mukorani araria haha and you have no business being here.
Walia nake.
Iyo kauma gathie enda kasikia vibaya na huko. Go heal your heart. Todule the moment wage tidoge ikara hau na ni araria si unajiumiza. So I think you can avoid him. Avoiding a co-worker murakoreto in a relationship is the best way to heal your heart.
Now you see, it even becomes hard dating a co-worker because we have a lot. You know, we don't need the fari. Love is a process. Love is a journey. Because of course, you know my brother. Ona brother yako anatodhia anatoka hitania, right? So the moment doka anatoa hitania nawe, it affects me psychologically. I'm with you the whole time. No na muhitania tina mudhuri is hamfanyi kazi pamoja. Ne ukoraga it's a bit easier we could deal na kana kuna skiria kuna heartbreak here because muthenya ndratida nake uguthio muone hwaini you assume okome rushini okire ushoke wira. But now I'm waking up seeing your face. I go to work, I see your face again. Then okay, I see your face again. Whoa, that will be a lot. That's a lot. And that's why you see a lot of dating that happens at work on a mahikania de karaga. Because
Sam.
I said a lot.
Yeah,
a lot of them don't matihota wikarania because neokoraga you have this person too much. You really need a break from it.
I think for me it all goes down to maturity because I've seen people
no
dating,
no matter how much you mature, love will always hit. Na hutagio haya gatiriri ka ngoro no kahutagia.
Eni no ule ungikowe mundu wa gupasivia utapasivia hadi hiyo ya nini co-working.
Tore Gen Z ne when they're dating, they post a lot. about themselves. Anga sijui my baby and who, sijui we went where. What's your take about hii nini yote ya kukuja anga sijui umekuja expose your relationship on social media, na tena alafu umekuja mmeachana mnatutolea press conference. What is your take about it?
Privacy is everything, first of all. No ule totino ugate matikahore bisha na maposti, but keep your relationship private.
But what if I'm putting it private and the private person is still cheating?
So why are you posting a cheating partner?
No, you see, when you post someone, the moment, especially when you have followers, you are a celebrity. The moment you are a celeb, people know you are with fulani. But now, if you keep on career, how do I phrase it? When celeb together, they're dating nego. The moment they post there, women will know I'm dating this person, and they'll be like, wait, see who ni fulani wa nani? So in as much as they go cheat today, I'll know, because people will be like, unaringa hapa na bwanako alikuwa na fulani. I'll automatically have an answer. When you put it again private, people will not know how to attack. People don't know what to attack. So should a relationship be private? Ama we should let people know we are together, but they should not know what we are doing together.
Mwiraredi wa Muthingi TV tukwamba kuhumuko hanini no ni turashokereria tugicokagia kiuria kiu kia Wambui ndugathi haraya.